In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this grunge abstract transition in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro. Alright, you can see I have already set up a 4K resolution sequence, and I have got 2 different video clips in the timeline. I have some assets available for download via the link in the video description. I am excited to share that I've added a premium pack of grunge abstract transitions to my store for just $5. This pack includes 12 unique high-quality transitions and matching sound effects to enhance your projects. Check the video description for the link. I hope it saves you a lot of time. The next step is to import a grunge abstract transition asset inside the project panel. Then, we need to position the time indicator at the middle point between the 2 video clips. After that, we have to move the time indicator 11 frames backward. And then, let's drag and drop the transition asset on top of the video clips. Alright, now we are done. As you can see on the timeline, with these couple of steps, we have created the grunge abstract transition. Lastly, we need to incorporate the transition sound effect to enhance the visual effect. This audio element will help to create a more dynamic and attention-grabbing experience for the audience. In this way, you can create a really simple and nice grunge abstract transition in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video, leave a comment.